In this episode of Ram Garage Racing, we'll be installing full Tilt Boogie's brand new 14.5 inch rotors. We'll be upgrading our Wilwood 4-pots in the rear to 1¼ inch pistons. We use G-Loc brake pads to stop this thing, and we'll see how fast we can stop this SN95 Mustang. Alright, so today's project, we're changing discs. There is a well-used 14-inch Brembo / Giro, and here is a new full tilt boogie 14.5. It's going on to that baby right there. All we need to do is install, I know I have them here someplace. There they are. I made exactly 0.250 spacers. Should be great. See how this works. Oh, by the way, 15.4 pounds, that extra ½ inch all the way around is 16.4. Let's get it done. Oh, look at that, man. 14 versus 14 and a half. It's amazing how much difference it's gonna make. I think it's like 1,000 pounds of foot torque or torque.
Jeez.
Wow, man. All right, no sense in not stopping it now.
Look how massive that looks, though.
Yeah, wait till the wheel goes on. Woo-wee! And the new Litespeed wheels made it all possible.
That's right.
Sweet. Full tilt boogie 14.5 inch disc on their hat on an SN95 GT1 calipers, also known as F50, also used by Ferrari, Aston Martin, and Viper. And it's a new, what is that? G-Loc brake pads. Damn, that's pretty. Gonna stop like nobody's business. Let's get this done. New hardware, right side. Left side's on. Sweet. Now we're talking. Passenger side complete. G-Loc pads in. Brembos. 14.5. Wait till you see the torque difference. Can't wait. Alrighty, day 2 brake upgrade. Day 1 is over. She is 14.5 inch full tilt boogie, which required us to upgrade to 1¼ inch Wilwood from 1.12s. We definitely like putting in the stops. Took these out. Got these ready to go. Should be a simple switch, but these things are beautiful. Take a look. Wilwood. Alrighty, man. Rear package is done. Wilwood with 1.25 inch pistons are upgraded. Matching 14.5 inch full tilt boogie. And these are the all business wheels for practice. And here's a final look with the racing wheels. Litespeed. Man, does that look awesome.